Hello students. Earlier we have already seen that samas means compound. In samas that dvandva samas we have already seen. Now in the dvandva samas there are two parts, that iterator dvandva and samahar dvandva. So iterator dvandva we have already seen. Now we'll see today that samahar dvandva. So the second part of dvandva samas is samahar द्वंद्व समास. समाहार द्वंद्व समास. So now same like that in iterator dvandva, that the rules will be the same only of that three rules we have already seen the earlier in the iterator dvandva. Same like that in the samahar dvandva, it's the same. So we'll see that the three rules. So now the rules will be of samahar dvandva. So first, disjoin with cha. Okay. So now the dvandva samas, there are two parts, iterator dvandva and samahar dvandva. So in the samahar dvandva samas, the three rule will be the same. Disjoin with cha, small word means pad will come first. That we have seen the example Rama, Lakshmana. So Ram will come and Lakshman will after that. Then here the feminine word. So we have already seen that Radha, Krishna, Sita, Ram. So that 1, 2 and 3 rule will be the same. Now what is the another? So we have seen in the iterator that 2 and more than 2 words, the pad will be there in the iterator dvandva. But in the samahar dvandva, the only and only 2 word will be there. So it is called the samahar dvandva samas. So now the new is that in the samahar dvandva samas, 2 words means pad. So in the samahar dvandva, 2 words will come only. Means only that the 2 पद will come. Means इसमें 2 ही पद आते हैं. Okay. Now the what is the another rule will be there. So the 3 will be same. Now fourth one, the 2 words will come only. Now the opposite nature animals, the grain's name, the musical instrumental, these samahar dvandva samas is used for that. The one more rule is there. Then when the last word means the pad will be there, so that will put that word in. The word will be of napusakling ekvachan. So here we'll write, keep the last word means here pad. So the keep the last word, the last pad is of napusakling ekvachan. Napusakling ekvachan, it means neuter gender. It means it will come in a neuter gender. So that it will come in napusakling ekvachan, neuter gender. Now the another will be there. So what is the another? So these samas, these compound is used for, so used in opposite nature animal. Now what is the last? That used for means that samahar dvandva samas used for to show the musical instrument, grain's name, body parts, opposite nature animals. So these the samahar dvandva samas is used for that. Now we'll see the examples are like this. That the pani padav means pani hi cha padav chah means here what is the rule of the samahar dvandva? It will that prepare of that 2 words only. 2 pad. So pani 1 word and the padav second pad. So it will join together of two pad. Now the another one veena mridangam. So veena cha mridanga cha. So this is the instrumental equipment, means this is the name of that musical instrument. So veena cha mridanga cha. Now the third mushakah marjaram. So mushakah cha marjarah cha. It means what? This is the opposite nature animal's name. That mushakah it means the rat and the marjarah it means the cat. So here then when the samahar dvandva is used, so for the musical instrument, grain's name, our body parts and the opposite nature animal. So this is the opposite nature animal, this is the musical instrument equipments also, and this is when the two word and the last is become the napusakling ekvachan roop. So this is the samahar dvandva samas example. So we can see that we can have idea how the samahar dvandva samas is used. So first dvandva samas. In dvandva samas there are two parts, iterator dvandva and samahar dvandva. We have already seen. Now today we will see the next, the samas means compound. The second part tatpurush samas. So in tatpurush samas there are different types of tatpurush. But here in your syllabus we will see the vibhakti tatpurush samas. So today we will see vibhakti tatpurush samas. So the second vibhakti tatpurush samas. Vibhakti tatpurush samas. Samas means compound. Tatpurush means the part of a compound. And vibhakti tatpurush. Vibhakti means case. That in Sanskrit language we have seen that the different cases are there. That the akarant, ukarant, striling, pulling, napusakling. That we'll see the table of the phal, jan, nadi, bhumi. Okay, so same like that. If you want to learn this vibhakti tatpurush samas, so you have to learn the vibhakti, the cases also. If you have not learned the cases, you will not understand the vibhakti tatpurush samas. So now in the vibhakti tatpurush samas, what is the definition of the vibhakti tatpurush samas? So the definition is like this: when the two words combined, means in the purva pad and in the uttar pad. So in that the uttar purva pad, there the different cases will be there, different vibhakti will be there, and in the uttar pad the one vibhakti means it's in a prathama vibhakti only, and it will call the vibhakti tatpurush samas. So how it is? So we'll see for the example. Suppose here, for example, the word maranasana. So here the two words will be there. So these, the first word we can call the purva pad, and the second word means the last word we can call the uttar pad. So here we'll write over here. Okay, so this is the purva pad and this is the uttar pad. So when purva pad is of the different cases, means here we can see the dvitiya, tritiya, chaturthi, panchami, sashti, saptami. Okay, now but the last, the uttar pad will be in the same nominative case only, means in the prathama vibhakti only. So these samas will be called the vibhakti tatpurush samas. Means here we can change the vibhakti, means here the different vibhakti will be there, different cases will be there, but now here only prathama vibhakti pad, the roop will be there, so it can call the vibhakti tatpurush samas. So the definition is like this, that when in the uttar pad, when in the combined word will be there, when we have to dissolve the word, so in that the uttar purva pad will be is of different cases, and the uttar pad will be the same in nominative, prathama case. So it will call the Vibhakti Tatpurush Samas. So the example we have seen that this is called the first word. So it is of Purva Pad and the second is of Uttar Pad. Now in the Vibhakti Tatpurush, so in that also there are 6 Vibhaktis are there. So from the Vibhakti will be of 8. Prathama to Sambodhan. Okay, but now here we'll see from Dvitiya to Saptami. So that Dvitiya Vibhakti Tatpurush Samas, then Tritiya Vibhakti Tatpurush Samas, Chaturthi, Panchami, Sashti and Saptami. Sambodhan will be not there and the Prathama will be not there. Why? So Prathama will be of that the subject only, the Karta only, and the Sambodhan will be not there. So from now Vibhakti Tatpurush Samas we will see from Dvitiya to Saptami. So now we'll see Dvitiya Vibhakti Tatpurush Samas. So now what is the Dvitiya Vibhakti Tatpurush Samas? So when we have to dissolve the word, so from in the Purva Pad that the Dvitiya Vibhakti we will add, so that is called the Dvitiya Vibhakti Tatpurush Samas. So now we'll see when dissolve the word will be of Dvitiya Vibhakti Tatpurush Samas. So the compound will be of Dvitiya Vibhakti Tatpurush Samas. So when dissolve the word and the first word means in the Purva Pad will be of Dvitiya Vibhakti, so the compound will be of that Dvitiya Vibhakti Tatpurush Samas. Now some words are there for the example that we will see that some words are there. So like this word will come, so we can identify this is the Dvitiya Vibhakti Tatpurush Samas. Atitah, Shritah, Patitah, Gatah. So like this word will come. So we can call Dvitiya Vibhakti Tatpurush Samas. So how it will use in English? So we can call in English for two. Okay. So this is called the Dvitiya Vibhakti Tatpurush. So now here the examples of that Dvitiya Tatpurush Samas. Dukhatita to Dukham Atitah. कृष्णाश्रितः तो कृष्णम आश्रितः भूमि पतितः तो भूमिम पतितः ग्राम गतः तो ग्रामम गतः. So these 1, 2, 3 and 4 word is of Dvitiya Vibhakti only. Second case. So we can call these Dvitiya Tatpurush Samas. Now the last Atita, Ashrita, Patita and Gata. So like this word will be of Prathama only. So these called Dvitiya Vibhakti Tatpurush Samas. Now earlier we have seen the Dvitiya Tatpurush Samas. So same like that the Tritiya Vibhakti Tatpurush Samas. So the same definition will be there when in the Purva Pad in the first word the Tritiya Vibhakti has used. So it is called Tritiya Vibhakti Tatpurush Samas. And in English that we have used for by and with and some of the words is given. So the word Vihina, Vina, Saha. So like this word is used in the word. So it will call the Tritiya Tatpurush Samas. Some examples I have already written that Vidya, Vihina, Ram, Vina, Krishna, Saha. So here the word you can see Vihina, Vina and Saha. Now we have to disjoin the word. So how it is? So the word Vidya Vihina. So Vidyaya Saha. So you can see Vihina, Vina, Saha means these Tritiya Vibhakti Tatpurush Samas is used for by and with. But in the first Vidyaya, Ramena, Krishnena, these word is of Tritiya Vibhakti and the second Uttar Pad will be of the Prathama only. Now same like that the Chaturthi Vibhakti and it is used for in English. Now here the two examples are there. So the two example is like this: Chhatra Jnanam, Brahmana Yogya. So now when we have to disjoin the word, so how it is? So Chhatraya Jnanam. and भ्रमणाय योग्यम. So in the Chaturthi Vibhakti, so when we dissolve the word, so the Purva Pad will be of the Chaturthi Vibhakti, so it can call the Chaturthi Vibhakti Tatpurus Samas. So this is of the Tritiya and this is of the Chaturthi Vibhakti Tatpurus Samas. Vibhakti, so in the Panchami Vibhakti, from, in English we can use the word from. So here, same like that Tritiya, the words will be given Bhaya, Bhiti, Mukta. So like this word is at the Uttar Pad and the word, the examples are like this, Chor Bhayam. So how the Vigraha is, so Chorat Bhayam. So when end of the word, that Muktaha, Bhayaha, now Bhiti. So Shardulaha, Bhiti. So Shardulam, Bhiti. So same like that when the first word is use of Panchami Vibhakti. So it can call the Panchami Vibhakti Tatpurus Samas. So now Tritiya, Chaturthi and Panchami. These are the examples and words is there. So Tritiya by and with, Chaturthi for and the Panchami will use from. So these are called the Tritiya, Chaturthi and Panchami Vibhakti. Now we'll see the Sashti Vibhakti, and Sashti Vibhakti is means in the English that of word is used and it will show the relation. So it will show the relation between the two words, and most probably in your exam the Sashti Vibhakti will comes in your exam and the examples will be given in your textbook also of most probably in Sashti Vibhakti. So what the Sashti Vibhakti? So when we have to dissolve the word in the Purva Pad, that the Sashti Vibhakti is used, so it will call the Sashti Vibhakti Tatpurus Samas. So now it will show the relationship. So what the relationship? So here three example will be there: Jnanodaya, Amraphalam and Krishna Bhakta. So what the when we have to disjoin the word? So what the when the Vigraha is? So it is Jnanodaya. So Jnanasya, Krishnasya Bhakta. So Jnanasya Udaya, Amrasya Phalam and Krishnasya Bhaktaha. So these called Sashti Vibhakti Tatpurus Samas. It will indicate the relationship. So Amrasya and Phalam, Krishnasya and Bhakta, Jnanasya and Udaya. So it will show the relationship. Now the Saptami Vibhakti. So then Saptami Vibhakti, the same definition will be there. Instead of Purva Pad is of Saptami Vibhakti only. But here the some word, and in English we can see that on and above. So Nipuna, Pandita, Antara, like these words will come. So suppose here three examples will be there. So Bhashana Nipuna, Purana Pandita, Karya Daksha. So what the Vigraha is? Bhashane Nipuna, Puran Pandita. So Purane Pandita. And Karya Daksha. So Karye Daksha. So here we have already seen that Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Sashti, Saptami. Okay, so when the common definition is like this, when we have to dissolve the word and the Purva Pad, the first word will be of the different Vibhakti. So that same, that particular word will be of that particular Vibhakti only. And the last word, the Uttar Pad is of Prathama only. So now here we have seen the Vibhakti Tatpurus Samas. In Vibhakti Tatpurus Samas there are 6 parts from Dvitiya to Saptami. So I hope you all have understand whatever I have explained. The example I will share with you, and you also that solve the example which is given in your textbook. Thank you.